Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Asịrị m unu ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma. Asị m na ihe adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ndị ga-esi na-esonyela ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ngalaba ozi a dị nnukwu mkpa. Anyị si ka anyị gosi unu gbasara maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and obodo anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ mbọsị izizi ị na-ezite chanel anyị bụ Igbo Media, gbaa mbọ rinne ka ị sọbskraịbụ and share ya ka o rute ndị ọzọ aka. Maka na information anyị na-enye unu bụ ihe unu ga-ama gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a, anụkwunu mara ka unu si akwado na ya bụ ife bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị drọpụ ọrụ bifo anyị gosi unu ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Ị ga-esi ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa, ị drọpụrụ anyị alụ gị ife iche gbasara maka ya bụ ife ndị niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Not been warned by the person who warned her. She was out of her place, she traveled. If she had returned that day from where she went, they would have killed her.
Hey, Emeka Livingston. Guy, Emeka, how you use no now? Oh, she went somewhere. If she came back, if she has returned, they would have killed her. Which kind of talk be that, my brother? Eh? You have no say. You have no horse in this fight anymore. You have no betting in this game anymore. You have been suspended. You have been expelled. And you have been excommunicated. So, this one where you talk down now, now medicine after death. If you like, go courts. If you like, go Nigerian courts. Go Finland court. You're wasting your time. The dragon will not respond to you because it is too late. Emeka Livingston. My people, I say make we laugh today. I say make we laugh today. Yeah? It don't do day, so make we laugh today. Emeka Livingston, you are done and dusted. You are done and dusted. Your dossier is closed. You have no say anymore. You have been suspended. You have been expelled. And you have been excommunicated. So this is medicine after death. Let's continue.
You would have heard that she's dead because they accused her of giving information that happened in the place to the fallen angels. What was the information? The information is as to the plans which he had with them in respect to carrying out a protest. And when he was talking, he said that they speak in tongues, but these people don't understand. That protest was the same protest that IPOB members, I think, or Maso, whatever, that were under Samuru, they went on that protest and they were butchered. A foolish protest, which Onyendo has said, don't go out for protest. If somebody don't respect himself, let's call him to order. I have just come to sound a note of warning. Let nobody threaten any of our people to eliminate them. We have two persons on the list whose lives are threatened. One is in the other continent. The other one is in the African continent.
Hey, Emeka Livingston. Oh my God, this authority where you get there, it is called it is called the Napoleon complex. Napoleon had a complex, you know, because Napoleon a short man, so Napoleon can't think say he need to talk tough. He shake a stubborn head so that they go respect him. So you have a Napoleon complex, Emeka Livingston. You have been expelled. You are still talking about Simon Ekpa. He is the Prime Minister of Biafra. The Biafra government in exile. He is our Prime Minister. So who are you? Who are you, Emeka Livingston? Who are you to speak to the dragon that way? Eh? A baby, say pam pam pam. Mouth they scratch you. Your mouth they scratch you. Look at you, a pastor. Emeka Livingston. You have been suspended. You have been expelled. And you have been excommunicated. Listen, more my people. Listen.
I have evidences already. Let whatever let bygone be bygone. Don't threaten anybody again because the person has decided not to go with you.
Hey!
Don't threaten anybody again by calling anybody a sabo. Because some Biafrans that reason with their anus can abuse you, can even go at length to do you evil. Because they believe that you are a stumbling block to Biafra, not knowing that the person whom is being accused of sabotage is not the stumbling block. It is you that is talking. That will make them stain their hands and be in trouble for life. It is you that is talking that is causing problems. So I don't want a situation again where any member, I'm issuing it as a warning openly. I don't want a situation again where someone will make a threat to the life of any Biafra that has decided not to work with him. Our own, we did not decide not to work with him. He excommunicated us, we agreed. I don't know how you can excommunicate somebody from Biafra. It sounds very foolish. But then, threatening people's lives is something we cannot tolerate. If it happens again, and I happen to hear this thing again, I have information. I have then stockpiled. I am going to take it up against you. I am going to make sure that this team will take it up against you with the Finnish government, that you are threatening people's lives. And we are going to present voice notes, evidences, and people who are talking. Your own voice that you said, that was recorded in that place, the people whom you sent, what they said. And the Interpol, we have to question them because of the life of somebody that is being threatened. Nobody's life should be threatened.
Hey, allo, man, allo, man, yeme o, kai, yeme o, oh yeme o, yeme. In this life, you must reap what you sow. Yeme o, yeme, oh yeme o, yeme. In this life, you must reap what you sow. Yeme o, Emeka, God go punish you. Yeme o, because you be bad the person, no. Yeme o, help my people. My people. This one are the cry of lamentation. A song of lamentation. A song of betrayal. Say somebody when we trust. This same man was in IPOB Autopilot Media Warriors. A man loved by Simon Ekpa. A man appreciated by the dragon. A man given assignment by the dragon. A man who come up with the ETTG, Economic Think Tank Group. I told you guys, from the smell of mess, you can tell the taste of shit. This same man, in less than 90 days, is talking about calling Interpol. He's talking about releasing recorded audio of Simon Ekpa. He's threatening the dragon, say, if you do this again, we'll take you to court in Finland. Hey! Iyeme! My people, I told you guys, say, this Biafra fight, there are so many Judas around. So many backstabbers that the Fulani cabal, they have bankrolled. They have paid them money. These guys, they are dancing for dollars. They are twerking for dollars. They are shaking their bum for dollars. People like Emeka Livingston, Nelly Fuegu, they are dancing for dollars. Before your eye, a young boy, Nsema the young lion, look at the way now he is messing his life up. He is campaigning for Tinubu. He is doing it. That shows you these guys, they have all been compromised. I thank God that our eyes is now being opened. My people, shame catch me when I hear this one. Emeka Livingston, a man who claimed to be a pastor, he's saying all these things. Look at the bitterness in his heart. Hey, my people. Simon, uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. My brother, it's no easy. It's not easy, but God has made you king. Let the enemies hate. Let them envy with a passion. Let them hate you with a passion. God has made you king over Biafra. You are the chosen one. You were the anointed one. You were and you are the anointed one. By Oyendu Mazinam Kano. He told us to listen to you. And since then we've been doing it gracefully, my people. But it's hardened my heart. Say, Simon had people like this around him. No wonder they were blackmailing him. They did all they could do. But thank God, over the test of time, we don't begin to expose them. My people, make we hear more from the man they call Pastor Emeka Livingston. Today, I have removed his honor. He is no longer a pastor. His name now is Emeka Deadstone, not even a Livingstone no more. Emeka, shame on you for saying this about your leader, somebody you said you respect. Look at the way you are speaking about him. After how many days? Just because you were suspended from the movement. And in less than 90 days, see the way you talk about your brother. Hey! Even you, Brutus. My people, if a so-called pastor can say all these things, let us continue. My people, make we continue. Hear some more.
Are fighting for Biafra. Let everybody fight for Biafra with a pure heart. If you don't work with me, I don't work with you, it doesn't mean we are enemies. The point is, Onyendu said, anybody that knows how to get Biafra, let him do it. And we have no intention to leave. We were excommunicated, no problem. But what I'm saying is, stop threatening people's lives. They went after this woman to kill her, and she called me and told me. And I have a lot of people that are witnesses that are aware of this thing. So I am issuing a warning officially. Because if it happens again, we may be compelled to seek legal clarification in this matter. Because people's lives are in danger. If that woman had come home that day, they would have killed her. She was branded as a sabo, and that she gave information to the fallen angels. Now, that was your comment. And guys were out there to go and kill. If they should kill her based on your comment, and you know that what you said was a lie, then how would you account for the life of that woman, her blood being shed? What about her children? What about her husband? What about her family? Because I have said it. If she's a sabo, say it, let the whole world hear it. Say where she has made the sabo. Let us hear it. As we are all here together, we are all Biafrans. If anybody is working against the Biafran cause, tell us, prove it. We'll find out, ask that person, and we are going to condemn that person strongly. But if you just accuse somebody as a sabo, you don't have proof. And because people follow you out of emotion, and they go about threatening people's lives, it could be the life of Felix Okechukwu. It could be your life that is being threatened. Today you are defending him. Tomorrow you might fall out with him, and he identifies you, and they begin to threaten you to kill you. That time you will run to me and begin to tell me. So that is why I come here to give a final warning. I don't believe in confrontation with our people. We have respect for Simon Ekpa as he has been the spokesperson, but he's going out of the handle to threaten people.
Shut up, Mr. Man. Shut up there. Shut up. Look at what is coming out of your mouth. See the way they talk. See the enmity, the anger, the pain, the venom coming out from your mouth, my brother. Hey! Nah, wow, this Biafran struggle. Nah, wow. Una see the reason why I am extra careful with these people. All these guys, you think they are for us. Simon, please be careful. Be careful of your circle. Those around you, be careful about them, I beg. Now beg and I beg you, Biko, be extra vigilant. I'm so happy the way you were able to fish out this guy. And if you own Biko, or whatever her name is, Nelly Ofuegu, she was close to you, she was doing shows with you, but thank God, over the test of time, you were able to expose her. But Simon, it's not easy. Please, I want us to learn from this story that those who claim to be close to you, in most cases, they are just there as an eye to the Fulani government. Very, very sad. Hearing this, I was supposed to be laughing, but towards this end now, the thing can't touch me because this man claimed to be a pastor. This man has a church. This man prays to God to heal the sick. This man gets tight from his people, but see the way in they talk, the pain, the anger, the agony, the venom, the poison coming out of his mouth. My people, my people. Hey! Simon, easy. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. You are a perfect example of this saying. The adage that says, uneasy lays the head that wears the crown. But I want to assure you today, Simon, that the Lord we serve, the God of Biafra, will never lay upon you a load too heavy to carry. He will never lay upon you a load too heavy to carry. Let the enemies come, 1,000 from your left, 10,000 from your right. They will all fall down. They will be smitten by the sword of justice. The Lord will never lay upon you a load too heavy to carry, Simon, because I can tell these people, they are like vampires. Now I understand why you name yourself the dragon, because vampires are coming and only a dragon will destroy the vampires. My brother, the Lord will never lay upon you a very, oh my God, someone listen to me. I'm getting the rema, the revelation. Say, God will never lay upon Simon a load too heavy to carry. He will never lay on you a load too heavy to carry. He will never lay on.
And by Darun Linenu, Yabukwa Igbo media. I see when I would take on Nupozia do Kemba. The guy see Kununkwa, and the guy see Nabambo, I would ike in a new update. Buye Bastama Kifene Mena and Igbo Bay and the Modo Winkanazo. Or Yabunkwa I put on and I can name is here. I was at the Kibiabo. You watch ya kita in Nina Kobia from Prime Minister. Go again soku, no dinkegi. Nanchukota moge. Kali will detail in here. Mako Kia Ganes in a messy. What a bear equity and the boyano. What a by Slynol. But a Babylon net president. A Babylon vice president. Nothing. And the new Muyindini na Megasquano, Umuna is so good about Famba. Mako Kiva, they make it this year, Adrozi, Asimo getting a messy or the Carlo. Aratos the email. Negodin Kobodo City. Came a one night walkable mazin and the cannon and borough. Akomakandibo. Can Kyo Joe Mill, Macosna Nibo Gadi, Macosna Gadi. I got the cage nature that wago. What you also did there? Joe Gaudra. Getting cage the mazin and the cano. Okomacross in Boyade. Because the give up today if I bow, you won't me dear. I know no buy on no bike I know. So be carbonate and Nibo. You will one again. On no bike I jack over your name ever. Kago kwa ni ine before. Une okuniwe. Kifonye ndumelo. Osini yane mbombe ndi Igbo na-abịa n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa pinia anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya. They will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka nsị ya bụ? Mba. Igbo mana na ife. Maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu oke ife ga na-esi na-emezi ọ bụ na ị kpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chịkọọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a jụọ onwe ya, na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya. Ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo Media. Daalụ n'ụmụnne.